How can I stop Excel from opening a second blank window when opening a file from Explorer? When I open an Excel file from Windows Explorer, I always get a second Excel window as well. Annoyingly, when I close it, it doesn't close, but the other window does. This seems to be a common issue. Excel 2013 starts up with blank screen when opened from Explorer. Excel 2013 opens blank grey screen along with original workbook. Excel opens two instances of file, one blank. Excel 2013 issue, opening a worksheet, opens a new blank worksheet too. How can I stop this second window appearing?
This can occur due to corruption in a personal macro workbook. %updata %\excel\excel/start/ and removing personal.xlsb from this folder caused the problem to go away. I had to export each of my macro modules to another folder. Then after removing personal.xlsb, record a new macro stored in my personal macro workbook, which recreated personal.xlsb. Then on the developer toolbar, click Visual Basic and import the macro modules again. All the shortcut keys and descriptions were maintained, but more importantly, I didn't get a second copy of Excel opening every time I opened a worksheet from Explorer.
My extra window turned out to be a problem with add-ins. In Excel 2016, here's how to fix that. Open Excel. Go to File and GT, Options. Click on Add-ins. Look at the active application add-ins, so alliterative. At the bottom of the dialog, in Manage, set the drop-down to COM add-ins and click Go. Uncheck the things you don't need. In my case, there were 3 COM add-ins active. MySQL for Excel, Drive for Office, Google Drive add-in, Microsoft Excel Code Compatibility Inspector. I left Drive for Office but disabled the other 2, and my extra window stopped showing up.
I had the exact same problem in Excel 2015 for quite a while, and when I hit the personal.xlsb workbook, a blank page would open instead and I couldn't close that one without closing the file I actually wanted open. But I finally found a solution. My problem was that I had a personal.xlsb file in an alternate location, and for some reason a search of the C drive wasn't returning a match for that file name. My location was the same one that Amber mentioned above, but I wanted to share how I found it in case someone else has a different location. The solution is to find the real location of the personal.xlsb file so you can delete it. To do that, open Excel and switch to the personal.xlsb file. Now select the File tab on the top left, which will load an info page. On the right side of the information on that page there is information such as properties, related dates, related people, and related documents. Directly under related documents is a hyperlink that says Open File Location. Click this hyperlink and Excel will open the true location of the personal.xlsb file regardless of where your particular installation has placed it. Now close Excel, delete the personal.xlsb file, and reopen Excel. It should open only the file you want and a second window will no longer appear. From this point on, I expect other tips online about creating / deleting / showing / hiding the personal.xlsb file will work as expected. But I have left it deleted and Excel is finally loading as I expect.
I had this issue as well. Thought it might be related to my personal.xlsp file like so many mentioned. However, it had always been successfully hidden up until recently. I went to the Zilstart folder to see if my personal workbook was indeed in the wrong place. It was there, so I tried deleting and recreating it to no avail. Just a big pain in my butt with the amount of macros I have. I went back to the Zilstart folder and saw there was also an add-in file, something I had to install for work. I deleted this file and restarted Excel. No extra window. Personal.xlsp stays hidden too. Not that this is everyone's issue, but it was mine.